Here we have the Bendmonger TR-505 from Hive Synthesis. It has 5 major modifications. Our proprietary backlight, a global pitch sample rate knob, an array of 6 sound glitch switches with 64 possible combinations, a pattern glitch matrix, which is patched using DuPont cables, and we have modular level outputs for each of the 8 drum groups. Starting with the pattern glitch matrix in the lower right. Depending on the pattern that you have selected and the drums that are playing back, you can expect anything from muting to drum swapping to reverses, short repeats. Really, you can expect just about anything. To the left of that, we have the sound glitch switches, which, you're probably not going to believe this, glitch out the sound chip. It can swap drums, it can alter the sample rate, it can distort, it can shorten. It really depends on the sounds that are playing and the combination of engaged switches. To its left, we have the global pitch and sample rate knob. You can still get the original sounds out of it like you're hearing now. You can pitch it all the way up to a short click, or all the way down to super low bit rate, almost broken Atari sounds. Lastly, we have the modular trigger outputs, which I have wired up to my modular synthesizer. You can see that here. Let's take the tom output on the 505 and run it to the kick drum input on the Delptronics Delp drum. This is going to mute the tom sound on the 505 and convert it to a trigger, like this. Let's do the same thing with the cymbal sound and the hi-hat on the Delp drum. And let's convert the snare to a nice low tom sound. And there you have it, the Bendmonger TR-505, only available from Hive Synthesis.